Y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is Yvebelize. Hope you find value in the video and subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to prepare a pre-poo of my flaxseed gel. Starting out with 2 cups of water. And we're going to see if that's going to be enough. I don't want it to be on the thick side because I'm doing this prior to washing my hair. I'm also going to show you how to apply it. So we're going to bring the water to a boil before we add our flaxseed. I went ahead and add another cup of water, so we have 3 cups of water, and I'm going to go in the half a cup of flaxseed. Flaxseed contains vitamin B, selenium, magnesium, omega fatty acids. It's great for scalp health, it prevents hair loss and promotes hair growth.
A ti mi flaca, tu cuerpo sacude como un maraca. Te miro y miro, so sube y baja. Como en Caracas bailamos al ritmo del bajo y la caja. Y tú mi África, yo tu casino en América. Quiero bambino contigo, ma. Te beso bien suave en el limón, ma. Quiero con vino, limón, no sal. Tu cuerpo es un carnaval, yeah. Tus ojos trascendental, y tu espíritu natural. Me enamora con besos en el piñal, yeah. De África al tropical, nuestro amor es transnacional.
I'm gonna let it boil for about 5 minutes.
La vista
Told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in.
So it's been about 5 minutes and it's at the consistency that I want it to be. As you can see, it's dripping. I don't know if you can see, but if it's dripping off the spoon and it's a little bit thick. So I'm gonna let it cool down and I'm gonna strain it and apply it to my hair.
Come out, I'm pulling up. Come out, I'm pulling up, yeah.
oh ma, lo que tengo contigo, ma. Esto está fijo, ma.
Stay tuned. In the next video I'm going to show you how I'm going to take the seeds that we've used and turn it into deep condition for the hair, so we're not going to throw away any of this at all. We're not going to waste anything. We're going to use it all up. You always want to start with more water to balance it out to the amount that you're wanting to make. So this is the consistency I was going for. So yeah, let's apply it to my hair.
Moving like a goddess, come my way, my way, my way. Your hips on the move, only a real one can do what you do. I caught a body, but you was the shooter. Damn. Shot me down one time. Now you wanna hug me down long time. Funny how the love can change sometimes. So we say, hey, Paco for Bago. I'm pulling up on you. Let me show you my world. Oh. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
Adicto a ti mi flaca, tu cuerpo sacude como un maraca. Te miro y miro, so sube y baja. Como en Caracas bailamos al ritmo del bajo y la caja. Y tú mi África, yo tu casino en América. Quiero bambino contigo, ma. Te beso bien suave en el limón, ma. Quiero con vino, limón, no sal. Tu cuerpo es un carnaval, yeah. Tus ojos trascendental, y tu espíritu natural. Me enamora con besos en el piñal, yeah. De África al tropical, nuestro amor es transnacional. Lo que tenemos presidencial, aquí la vista es
Told me that I
espectacular.
make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Can't wait to show you off. Come out, I'm pulling up. Come out, I'm pulling up, yeah.
oh ma, lo que tengo contigo, ma. Esto está fijo, ma.
She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got me. Oh my, oh my, oh
So there you have it. This is a great way we went from my hair being super dry to beautiful curls and all this moisture before I wash my hair. This can also be used after you've washed and conditioned to set your curls as your gel. All I'm going to do now is put a plastic bag on my hair for maybe about 30 minutes, and then I will start my wash day. Thank you so much for watching. You found value in the video. Hit the subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video.
I'm pulling up on you. Let me show you my world. She told me that I make her feel